Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. It's 3:37 p.m. Central Standard Time on January the 20th, 2022. And as we can tell, Enlil has updated their model so it doesn't look so much like they're throwing a curveball at us of plasma. But this is the Earth right here, this little yellow dot, and as you can tell, it's showing that we are getting a quote-unquote glancing blow from it. But when you look at this here, it looks like, if you look, Earth is off-centered. But we are still going to be getting a decent chunk of plasma out of that. It's definitely going to be up into the 30s. Thank you so much, Sumerian wannabe god Enlil, known as an Anunnaki, or god of the Bible. Let's go check some other things out. Here at the European Space Agency, we are looking at the Euphoria model, which is similar to Enlil. Euphoria, that's almost funny, isn't it? So we can clearly see the pop going off in this direction, and it looks like these other little pops, the ones that I was telling you guys about, that were coming, looks like we're definitely going to be getting a pop from those. That's what these other spikes are over here. And we're getting a combination of that big pop kind of adding on, catching up and adding on to that. So we are going to get a little bit right there. You can see it hitting here, you can see it hitting here, and you can see it hitting here. But look at this. Even Euphoria has the Earth off-centered. I wonder what's really going on. Are we off-centered? It's hard to know. Here at the Space Weather Prediction Center, we can clearly see that we are still getting bombarded on the South Pole and a little bit up here at the North Pole with that solar storm. That's right, the protons that rode down our magnoelectric connection to the sun, and it is holding on strong. That is a lot of radiation coming down at the South Pole. So if you happen to be working down there, or you know somebody, tell them to stay inside of a shipping container or something to kind of not have to absorb that, because that is a lot. Let's go take a look at LASCO. We've got a little bit of a treat over here on LASCO C2, and as we see our pop, our first pop anyways, we can clearly see it coming out. But I want to show everybody something right quick. This thing here doesn't move. Look at this. With everything going on around it, it just stands stationary. Doesn't even move with the rotation. It's just sitting there like it's holding a portal open or something. See that? It's not moving at all. Let's go all the way to the beginning. There it is. See that? It's stationary. It's not moving. What is that? I don't know. You tell me. But anyways, as we're going, and we get to our pop, we're actually going to see a lot more things light up. Like this guy's obviously taking off. But watch this. You're going to start seeing a lot of particles. You see all these little white dots all over? Those are particles that are actually riding down our geomagnetic line to the sun. But it also allows for a lot more activity. Here's our second pop. That still has not registered. But remember I was telling you guys, to the untrained eye, you wouldn't notice that there's going to be more activity out there. There's one there. 2 frames later, there's another one there. You can clearly see him. The head, the wings, and the tail. Zoop. Looks like he's diving. But that's what's hitting our planet at the South and North Pole. Those babies, they ride right down that electromagnetic field, and they touch base, so to speak. Wow, look at that. That's a funky looking one, isn't it? Wonder what that is. Whoop, sorry. Well, let's come check out LASCO C3. And, excuse me, how are you doing? And if we look right off the get, we got a friend right down here. There he is. How you doing, buddy? That's right. And we'll see more as we get the pop going. As the pop comes off the first one. I wonder if this one will show the second one, too. Uh-oh. Look at that right there by the disc. There's one. Looks like that guy's taking off going that way, towards the sun. Wonder if he changes his mind with the pop and turns around. Does an about face. Okay. Oh, look at that. We're starting to see him take off all over. And that's where the protons are starting to ride the line and hit the satellite. Let's see what else we can find. Ooh, look at this guy. Nice signature. Oop, there's a guy right there. Oop, how you doing, buddy? You guys see him? It's right here. Oh yeah. Getting them all over. There's another one here. See, this actually allows them to hide more when you got that. And now they're everywhere. That's one way to to have a war going on in front of the satellite. Make it pop. Have protons all released out. Ride down the wave, or geomagnetic wave, to impact the Earth, and then they can start their bombardment or whatever, their attack or whatever they're doing. It's actually pretty smart. We're talking about beings that are extremely intelligent. Uh-oh, Borg cube. Gotta love those Borg cubes. Oh, looks like it's starting to calm down with those protons. Ooh, there's another nice little signature. You can see how the boom, 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 boom. You can see the pulse engine. Oh, it stopped. That's the end of it. Let's go check out seeds. And as we come over here to seeds, we still see the 11th is missing. And look at all of these dates here from Sechi that's missing. Good thing we have another source for that, huh? And on our ink filter, remember the guy that I was showing you that was sitting over here not really moving? Got him confirmed right over here. Right up here by my arrow. Watch this. See him? He's right there. He just kind of hangs out. See that? He does not move. What is that, brothers and sisters? Can anybody tell me? Because I don't know. He's just kind of hanging out. Well, I mean, we know that we got that satellite, or that docking station, and he's actually right behind this disc. So we are not going to see him on this one. Well, we got lots of activity going on out there. But our second one, again, has not shown up, except for a slight. And as thought previous, let's go ahead and scroll up on this. So we're going to watch our pop first thing this morning. That was the M flare. And then you'll see this start to kick off, and this starts to release. See that? That's releasing. And then this is releasing. Quite a bit, actually. And then this one releases. See that? So there's quite a bit of plasma being thrown out there. It actually causes this one to start acting up on top, too. So I have a feeling it is not done yet. I think we're going to get some stuff out of this. And look at this stuff coming around the bin. This is going to be acting up, too. But let's go on over here and take a peek at this guy. This is Stereo Ahead, Chronograph 2. We're going to check him out and see if we can find anything peculiar. Let's get up to our nice little pop. And there's the first one. Ooh, look at all these guys out here. Well, we got the one there. We got something going on up here. And there's our second one. The one that I told you all about that is not registering. Wow, there he is again. So they haven't scrubbed him. What is that? It's giving off its own light source. It's interesting, to say the least. Oh, there's our little heart-shaped guy, or our wedge. Oh, he's just showing us some love. We got that one again. What is going on up at our sun, folks? It's hard to say. Oh, that's a new one. That's a new development. Off to the left side, we don't know what that is. A little too far away. Same here. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool. We got something like literally right smack in the middle of the flaring off there. Boy, look at all this activity going on. Alright, now let's check this guy out here. See if we can find anything off on this guy. Now this one here is also Stereo Ahead Chronograph 2, but this is running with the difference. So it will show a few things that we can't see on the other one. Let's go through this really quick. We'll get to that pop. Of course, there's this guy that I don't remember seeing on the other one right before the pop. It's the first one. Oops, sorry, let's bring her down. Where's the second? There's the second one. Yeah, see here. Oh, yep, he's there too. He's there. And there's the black part of it. You know, like it's the positive and the negative, so to speak. We've got our little heart-shaped guy there, our wedge. And he appears in that one. Of course, we got there's confirmations of stuff going on out there. Not seeing anything extra. But there's something going on up. There's a lot of stuff going on up there. There he is again. There's this guy over here. So, yep, stay safe out there, folks. Remember, love is the only way forward. Let's start opening our eyes. Please hit the like. Make sure you hit the like button, so that way it can bring it up in suggestions. So that way more people can actually start taking a peek at this, and share this on different platforms. Let other people know, hey, this is what's going on at the sun. You know, we should be paying attention. It all boils down to what's happening around our sun. Because as soon as this thing pops off and it starts pushing Nemesis our direction, yeah, we're going to need to know that stuff. And we are going to end on our buoy stations. Everything seems to be nice and calm. Let's hope it stays that way for a while, right? Remember, folks, love is the only way forward. Have a good evening.